Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a haul to share with you guys today. It is Thursday the 12th and I went to Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Dollar General. We went to 3 different stores today looking for toilet paper and hand sanitizer and all that good stuff. The first store we went to was Dollar Tree. And I had my son with me, so he wanted some pencils. We picked up a pack of pencils and a pack of pens. These are the 0.7 lead mechanical pencils. And I got one of those, and then I got the 3-pack of 1.0mm black ink pens, hybrid ink pens. So got him that. And then he wanted a like Etch-a-Sketch type drawing board, and he's already opened it. He's been playing with it. So we got that. I did pick up one of the heavy foam shower cleaners. I should have picked up 2, but I did want to try it out before I went ahead and bought more. So I got this one. I just got one. They had some new spring gifting items, and they had like 3 patterns that I saw at my Dollar Tree. On this side there's no foiling, and then on this side the green, everything green is foiled. I thought that was really pretty. I'm going to do another Miss Diane and probably fussy cut those. In the same line they had these bags, and I wish that he didn't bend it, but okay. And it looks like a purse or a suitcase. That's why I picked them up. And they have this for the gusset. Isn't that pretty? There's no foiling on this bag, but it's just the craft paper style. And look at that. Look at how big that opens. That's pretty cute. And then there's that little bit of print up on the top edge. So I thought that was really cute and pretty for spring. So I got those 2 bags. I didn't remember if I had this particular headband with the bunnies. It has those little pom-pom tails. I just picked it up because I thought it was cute. I think I have a pink and a purple, and they still had pink and purple when I got this one, but I just picked that one up. It looks like the Peeps. I also picked up 2 of these really pretty greenery. It seems like my Dollar Tree is slowly putting out their spring things, but this one just says greenery bouquet. So I picked up 2, and that was all that I saw. It has a little bit of the yellow and the purple in the stems. So that was cute. I did grab this pack of balloons. It's the first time I've seen it in my store. It's the heart-shaped balloons. And there's 12 in the pack. So I thought that's cute to have on hand for Happy Mail. This little paper pad, sketch pad, is also for my son. He is a little budding artist, so he loves to draw. I figured he could pick some of that stuff up while we were there. I did grab one sign from Dollar Tree, and this is the sign I picked up. It's the Happy Easter, and it just looks like that. Yeah, you can hang it or you can just stand it up, but that's what this looks like. You can see the colors. It's a baby blue. All right. That spring line that they have, I also found these new bows. This is new to me. So they had this purple little flower bow in pink, and then this little peach. Looks peach to me, but they're like, you know, peel and stick bows that you could put on your packages. So these are the 3 colors that they had, and I picked up 1 of each. That will be great for Happy Mail also. I I did fall into the toy thing because I loved Care Bears, and they had all four. This is the collection right here, and they had all four: Love a Lot Bear, Grumpy Bear, Share Bear, and Cheer Bear. And I picked all four of them up. Isn't that cute? I thought those were cute. They did have happy birthday balloons in gold and silver. So I picked up the gold, one in each. So happy birthday. That I thought these little balloons would look so cute in some maybe Happy Meal. We'll see. We'll see. And then they had all the new stickers in my store. The Crafter Square is starting to shape up in our aisles. And they had put out these little dimensional stickers. And I loved this little collection right here. It's about dance. Got puffy stars and ballet shoes, cassette tapes, and it just reminded me of Louisa's digital kit that she recently put out. And then this is the second one that I picked up, the dimensional stickers. They had the unicorns and something else, but I didn't pick it up. I figured this is more, you know, I could use this more quicker rather than the others. Okay, I think that was it for our Dollar Tree. All right, so Walmart, when we went to Walmart, they were totally wiped out with the toilet paper and hand sanitizers and all of that. So we did pick up some stuff there, and they had the flushable wipes, their brand, the Equate brand. So I picked up 2 3-packs of the flushable wipes. It's a little embarrassing, but you know what? We need it right now. And I figured this would help with what we needed. I had to pick up some deodorant for my husband. I got this one right here. And for my son, he found this little Prismacolor coloring pencils. And this is a 12 count in the tin. So we got him that. So that was it at Walmart. Then we went to Dollar General. We're still looking for toilet paper, guys. They had it in their store. So look what I found at Dollar General. This little baby. And it's got like a, ooh, it's stained. Is it supposed to be like that? Uh-oh. Well, good thing is, this is for me. So this will stay in my craft room. But I found this little pom-pom ice cream cone and the long bamboo skewers, the 50 count for $1. I got that, and I got this one. This was 10% off, $4 off, so 40 cents off. This one is the, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I grabbed it because it was so pretty. But I'm gonna give it a try. Try that out. I did find toilet paper there and the brand that we use. I used the Scott's 1000 sheet. I love this paper. One, because I don't have all that lint in my butt. Excuse me. But I love this. This is the 8 count, 8 rolls. I got 2 of the 8 count. So total of 16 toilet paper rolls. And I think it was Leanna who shared this container. This is the stackable Sterilite container. So there's 3 sections, and on the very top container it has the divider insert so you can put it in. So I want to open this up because I've been eyeing this container for so long. Now this container was $10. Yep, $10. But I don't care. I need it. I need to contain all those little gadgets and little doodads in my craft room. So this is a container that you can insert into any of these, or you can just take it out completely. And then each one just locks onto the bottom. So that becomes a lid. And then you can unlock this and that, you know, all 3 containers. And then they just all lock together. And I got 2 of these containers. So, yep, 2 of these babies. Loved it. And the last thing that I got from Dollar General, this little doodad. I have dresses in my closet that have those straps, and they always fall off the hanger. So I found this one, and it just hooks the straps on here. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can hang 8 items of clothing on here, or even more if you just hook it on each hook, 1 item. I thought that was super cool. And you also have the bottom part here too you can hang off of, and then, you know, but whatever, this is pretty handy. I need it in my life right now. And this one was only $3. I think it was $3. I'm not sure because I don't have my receipt on me, but that's it, guys. That was my quick haul. Thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what is your favorite find. And are you running out of toilet paper? So I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.